Today I'm at the Koon Bo Chinese Restaurant. We've been here before for dinner. So we're here for dim sum. Haven't been here for a long time, so let's go inside, check it out. This is the jellyfish. So it's got the soy sauce and sesame flavor. My mom's favorite dish. So let's see how it is. Hả? Thôi mà.
Rồi em tìm hôm bị
Sao đi mà?
sang đi lắm.
So nice and
Đi điều
fresh.
gì?
It's got the sesame oil and the soy sauce. It should have a crispy texture. Has many benefits. It's good for collagen, so you should. It's good for the skin. Also has other benefits for health. For me, I gotta have a big mouthful of the jellyfish. Ah, look at that! Look at that! Mmm. Nice and fresh, crispy, really cold, nice sesame and soy sauce flavor. Really good. Oh yeah. So really nice, good flavor. I rank this with double thumbs up. I call it the guts and glory dish with rice rolls. So this is served on a clay pot. Look at that, look at that. So look at these, they call it the offals. So I don't know what these are, let me see. So these are, I don't know what these are. There's something from the inside.
Cái món vị.
That's beef brisket. That's beef brisket. That's really good. We've got the stomach tripe. We've got the nice rice rolls. They steam it in the clay pot. You gotta try this. Ooh, look at these rice rolls. So rice rolls are made by mixing water with the rice flour. They steam it in sheets and they roll it up. So when you put it into the beef stew or any kind of Chinese stew, steam it in the clay pot, so all the flavor is infused into the rice roll. Ooh, one of my favorite dishes. Here's the sinews. So when they cook it properly, the sinews should be really nice and tender. Look at that, look at that. So these are the tendons. Look at that, look at that. So when it's done properly, these tendons should be really tender. Otherwise, it's like rubber. But when they're nice and tender, it just melts in your mouth. That's really good. Lots of flavor. It melts in my mouth. Oh yeah. So these are the prawn and chive dumplings, thin wrapper, and then they grill it on both sides. Nice crispy crust, translucent wrapper. Oh, they're nice and plump. Sometimes they make them flat, but these are nice and plump. Get 4 of these, so that's pretty good. Ah, look at that, look at that. So nice flavor, lots of filling. It's about 1.5 inches tall. Usually they're not as tall, usually thinner. So you got lots of filling in there. So when you grill it, you have nice texture on the outside. The wrapper is really thin, so you can see through the rice wrapper. These are the steam duck egg custard buns. So really nice and soft. You can tell. Look at that, look at that. So I'm gonna have one of these duck egg custard bao. So make sure to put my plate underneath it. So if it's liquidy, it's gonna run. So just have a look. That's what it looks like. Ooh, ooh. Ah, look at that, look at that. So you get all the liquid egg yolk running. So on the plate now. Lots of flavor in that. egg yolk with the custard filling. This one's really lots of liquid. Oh, really tasty, really tasty. How about Cantonese phai lok? So my mom says Happy New Year, Chinese New Year. This is almost Chinese New Year, so I'd like to wish our viewers all the best in the new year. Thanks for all your support for the past year, and I wish you all the best in the new year.
This is a recipe for Chinese rice rolls, but first, let's see how they're made in Huiping, China.
Wow, big tank there. Char siu? Yeah, char siu dala. How about lamb char siu dala? Huh? You much oil laga? Oh, this is the rice roll here. Oh, interesting. Lamb ya ka dala. So one big sheet of it then. Wow. Wow, that's nice. Yeah, you go for a second. Yeah, you can try that. One here. Add a little soy sauce there. That's it. Okay. This is a Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. So having a little rice roll here in Huiping, China.
These Chinese rice rolls are so easy and simple to make, right in your own kitchen. So let's get started. First, you start off with 1 cup of rice flour. Pour the rice flour into a big mixing bowl. Add 1 to 2 cups of water. More water if you want thinner rice rolls. For more chewy rice rolls, add 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch. Then you add half a cup of barbecue pork, or any other kind of meat that you like. And last, add half a cup of chopped green onions. Then put some cooking oil in a dish. Rub some of the cooking oil on a pie plate. Bring some water to a boil in a frying pan or a steamer. Put 1 ladle of the rice solution into the pie plate. Steam the rice roll for about 1 to 2 minutes. So once you see the bubbles come out in the rice roll, they're ready to be served. And the final step, just carefully roll the rice roll and put it on a plate. There you have it, steamed Chinese rice rolls. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.